Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and type edges. Now you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Then click on this theme, name it, and tap OK Creative. From here you can customize your edges however you want to, by for example changing ground style, size of them, speed, and even adjusting them to your notch. When you're done, you can always pick one of these sources like photos, select your wallpaper by clicking on the chosen photo, adjusting it, and tapping at the top right corner. When you're done, choose Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of these options. So when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you wish to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the Edges app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other app. Now select Yes, click on the switcher over here, go back and tap on the same switcher one more time. So now when I go back, I can see my edges even when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!